This is a... I'll take him off. Yeah, this is a red tail sitting on the tree. Many of the adventures I go on for these vlogs are when I've traveled to some other part of the country, usually for a conference or something, since I don't have a lot of money for travel right now. But today we decided to take a day trip to someplace a little closer to home, but still a really interesting natural resource. So I'm at the Indiana Dunes National Lakeshore today. We're gonna go for a hike and then maybe also go for a swim, and you can come along with us. This wasp has a caterpillar or something that she's taking as food, probably for her nest, wherever it might be. So she'll put the caterpillar down in the hole, and either her eggs are already in the hole or she might lay her eggs directly on the caterpillar. And then the babies will hatch and eat that food that mom left for them. So it looks like a lot of this marshy wetland area to the right of the trail is closed off for restoration work. We've noticed a bunch of white poles out in the field, so it looks like they're doing vegetation surveys and maybe trying to replant some desirable natives. But that boardwalk looks like a lot of fun. Maybe next time we're back we'll be able to explore out on it. This is a very fat, I think it's a fox snake. Could have, he's not very long. Sure is chunky though. Sort of sad to see how much Phragmites has invaded some of the habitats in this park, but that might also be part of what their restoration efforts are geared towards. Maybe, hopefully, they're trying to remove some of the Phragmites invasion and put in some more desirable native plants.
What did you see?
Mushrooms. So we've been walking through this forest, you can see behind me, over these really nice rolling hills, which I think are actually ancient sand dunes because the trail has been really soft, loose sand all the time that we've been walking on it. And we're just about to crest over the final peak, and I can already see the water through the trees. It's actually kind of cool to be visiting here today because just a few weeks ago I made friends with Bianca at the Ecology Society of America meeting. You should definitely go check out her interview video where I learned a lot about sand dunes because that's what Bianca does her research on.